Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the part 2 of the Superposition campaign on Layer 3. This is I don't know how long of a campaign this is, but it's a launchpad campaign, so there will be rewards for this. Today we have 3 in this, and I don't know why it's not working, but there we go. Yeah, this is until March 10th. So this is the first blockchain that pays you to use it, this campaign. So we have 9lives, Superbridge, and Decent in today's thing. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. And Superposition giving away rewards for being the blockchain that pays you to use it, and by just bridging, swapping, providing liquidity, you can get paid. And also, if you do need any help, I have a Discord. Link is down below. Get in here, go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up. And also, we have a welcome section that if you'll be asked 2 questions, and then you'll have to do this. So you'll get access to these amazing channels full of the latest alpha and helpful tips and tricks by the community, which I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, follow me on X, BCR142. I share a lot of stuff I can't get to on YouTube. So get in here and follow me. Check out what I'm sharing. All right, let's get into it. So, the 9lives. So, bada boom. Superposition 9lives is the most capital efficient prediction market developed by the Superposition team. So, it uses Arbitrum stylus. Traders can place bets, trade their positions, and maximize capital efficiency while benefiting from the safest and most affordable prediction market on Web3. The market creation is permissionless. Oh, and as market creator, you earn fees on every trade. You can create your own market and participate in a market. So create your own. So there's the campaign name. I'm not going to create a campaign, but you can do campaign name, description, the type and outcome, yes or no, custom outcome, end date. Okay, that's cool. But we're going to skip that and participate in a market. We'll connect our wallet right here, a Rabby. Will Doge reach all-time high in the following weeks? Okay. So I don't have USDC, so I might have to... Oh, look, there we go. Bridge at least 5 USDC from Arbitrum Base or BNB. I feel like I just bridged some over to another chain. Oh yeah, that's what happened. I need some USDC on my deck because I got no USDC. So okay, since we're on this one, let's just dive into this one. We'll kind of jump around a little bit. So okay, I need to swap back into my other wallet. We'll do this in a constructive order or a constructive fashion. So this one, cross-chain swap 0.002 ETH from Arbitrum or OP mainnet to Superposition. Okay, we'll connect. All right, I'm going to swap for some USDC so I can move that over. Trying to figure out the best way to do this. Now, Superbridge, let's do it. Agree. Coin nect. All right, base and max. Yes. Now we'll bridge. Wait time is 3 minutes. Keep that in mind if you're in a rush. Hey, did it work? Bada boom. There you go. All right. Okay, so I don't have enough on there. Let's see. Ether. No? They're not. Ooh, that bridge is not good. Let's see here. Okay, let's go back here and just play one of these games real quick. No chance. Long tail. Yeah, I need the swaps. Okay. I need to bridge back over. See, it's almost $2 to... I don't know why that's not working, but let's see. See if we can bridge back. Yep, it looks like we can bridge back. I actually want to send 80 back. Does look like it's about 70 cents, 75 cents. Okay, wait 2 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so I can't buy it now. It looks like I was not able to buy it on the other ones, but I'm just going to bet no on this. 1 USDC. This is the prediction market. So there we go. Shares bought successfully. The 9lives prediction market, kind of like Poly Market. And then the decent bridge. Yeah, we want to send that from, I'm going to deploy some of this into Ethereum, and then I'm going to send this over to Arbitrum. And then from Arbitrum, I'll send it over to Superposition because that's just how we roll. Okay. And then we'll swap here and send it over to Arbitrum. Send over 0.003 since we need 0.002. Close this out. We'll use relay. So these are really good, really good. Kind of a long way to complete these quests, but that's okay. We'll mint our cube on this guy. Long tail, we'll close that out because we don't need it anymore. Thank you. So that one, thank you, Superbridge. And the cross-chain swap. So we're gonna Arbitrum, Ethereum, 7.0021 over to Superposition. Make sure it says Superposition right here, Ethereum. So yeah, there you go. Bada boom, using the decent bridge to swap. All right, follow them on socials and you'll be good to go. And if, yeah, remember, you can follow me on here. Just keep clicking. And if you have any questions or comments, need any help, please jump in the Discord. I can get to you a lot faster than I can on YouTube. So, but I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.